Here in this question, it says that in what time will rupees 64,000 as the principal amount amounts to rupees 68,921 at the rate of 5% per annum interest compounded annually. Yeah, this is semi-annually, that means half yearly. So we'll be applying this formula for semi-annually. Now, let's write down the information symbolically. As of now, what we have the principal which is given as 64,000. So this is 64,000. Now, we also have the amount here, amount that is A is equal to, this is rupees 68,921 rupees. Further, we know also the rate of interest. So R is equal to 5% per annum. This is 5% P dot A. And what we have to find is the time. So this is N is what? Our question mark. This is what we have to get. Now, the first thing that we do is to write down the formula involved for calculating. So that is A is equal to P bracket 1 plus R over 100. Oh, this is R over 200 because it is semi-annually raised to the power 2n. Now, next, what we need to do is to replace these symbols with their values. So the amount which we have here as 68,921 is equal to principal, which is 64,000. And then 1 plus rate of interest is 5 over 200 raised to the power 2n. Further, we can reduce here, that is 5. These two can be reduced with 5. So this is 5 1 times, 5 40 times. Now, in the next part, we will be transposing this to the left-hand side. Let's say if I transpose this to the left-hand side, what we'll get? We'll have this number as 68,921 that divided by 64,000 is equal to, if I take LCM on this part, it will get 40 plus 1, that is 41 over 40 raised to the power 2n. Now, as you know that the cube of 40 is 64,000. So therefore, we'll be writing this. This we can write as this as 41 over 40 whole cube is equal to 41 over 40 raised to the power 2n. Now you can see that we have the same base here. So when the bases are same, like base on the left hand side as well as on the right hand side is same. So we can equate their power. So on equating their power, what we'll get? We'll get 2n is equal to 3. That implies n is equal to 3 over 2. So 3 over 2 is what? 1.5 year, right? That is 1.5 year is what the time. This is what we have to calculate in this question.